Your favorite griddle just got a massive upgrade. Let me introduce you to the Gridiron Pro. Last May, we released the Gridiron and were blown away by its reception. We upgraded it with a fan favorite feature from our pellet grills, the sidekick. What makes the sidekick so great? This burner that directly attaches to the side with 4 easy screws is way more powerful than any burner you'll find in any kitchen. With the sidekick, you can boil, saute, sear, or even bake using our 14-inch attachments. Now you can cook grilled cheese and tomato soup, smash burgers and fries, or even bake biscuits to go with your bacon and eggs. The Gridiron Pro, with its 4 12,000 BTU burners, delivers enough power to sear a steak while also giving you the control to delicately cook pancakes. And thanks to the flamethrower ignition system, you can get a quick and reliable start every single time. And we didn't stop there. We've added a new bottom shelf for extra storage space, so your essentials are always within reach. Plus, the magnetic accessory system allows you to customize your setup with bottle holders, paper towel dispensers, and more. When it's time to clean up, the front grease trough and central chute effortlessly handle grease and food debris, directing everything into a hidden, easy-to-remove grease cup. The Gridiron Pro is way more than just a griddle. It's a complete backyard cooking station. Whether you're grilling for the family or hosting a weekend cookout, this griddle makes cooking easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. Some things are just better together. And now with the Gridiron Pro, you can do it all on one grill. Head over to campchef.com to learn more.